Phony vials of the life-saving cancer drug Avastin have turned up in as many as 19 medical clinics here in the United States. So we asked Chief Investigative Correspondent Armen Keteyian to find out where they came from. In his report last night, Armen told us that the fake Avastin came through the United Kingdom, Denmark, Switzerland, Turkey, and Egypt. Armen is still working to find the original source of the counterfeit drugs, but he did find the man whose company shipped them to the U.S.
We traveled to the Caribbean nation of Barbados to sit down with the man responsible for bringing counterfeit Avastin into the United States, Tom Houghton.
Tom. Hello. Armen Keteyian.
A source close to a federal criminal investigation told CBS News Houghton's role in importing the Avastin into the U.S. is a key part of the probe. Houghton told us he broke no laws.
I have nothing to hide. The businesses that I have are ethical, safe, and legal.
You talk about safety, but the fact is, according to you, 36 packets of the fake Avastin got into the hands of doctors and into the hands potentially of patients. So how can it be so safe?
Because we followed protocol. We, as a licensed, registered UK wholesaler, bought the product through the trusted and controlled EU supply chain.
Do you know what was in the fake Avastin? There was salt and there was starch and there was acetone, but there was nothing in there that would fight cancer.
Well, and for me, that is shocking and it's so disappointing.
According to the Food and Drug Administration, the only Avastin approved for use in the U.S. is made in the U.S. by Genentech. Houghton, who operates several pharmaceutical-related businesses in Barbados, repeatedly blamed his European supplier and regulators for failing to discover the counterfeit drug.
We are legally entitled to sell any product with our license to any registered or licensed doctor, wholesaler, and so the question...
Not according to the FDA, well then, you're not.
But then you need to go to these clinics.
So now it's the clinic's fault? It's not your fault for bringing in, through your company, into the United States, Avastin that turned out to be fake?
These clinics, they purchased this product, and we're not in the U.S., so I'm not sure what the U.S. laws are. They would have to make sure what they're doing.
You're not sure of what the U.S. laws are regarding the use of Avastin, a cancer-fighting drug, a life-saving drug in the United States?
I'm telling you that my wholesaler in the United Kingdom, I clearly know...
It's your company, Tom.
Yeah, I know, and I know what the laws are in the UK, but you'd have to ask those clinics.
So you don't know, though, really, whether that product, which turned out to be fake, was made in someone's bathtub in Egypt or in Turkey?
I'm not going to speculate, but I know for a fact that my business followed protocol. They purchased this Avastin through a licensed and registered wholesaler. We bought it through the regulated and EU supply chain.
Situations like this are why federal health officials prohibit the importation of drugs through sources not approved by the FDA. As one expert told us, once you step outside the regulated route for drugs, you might as well be playing Russian roulette.
Patient beware. Thank you, Armen.